Now last part in unit number 6a or unit number 6 is power and Newton's second law. Now power, we know it is defined as the time rate of change of doing the work. Power is equal to force into velocity, so equal to Newton meter per second, or it is also in watt, and 746 watt means 1 horsepower. Now Newton's second law of motion, the acceleration of particle is directly proportional to the magnitude of the resultant force acting on it and in the direction of resultant force, means F is equal to ma. Now we'll see one more problem on this. The 50 kg crate is projected along the floor with an initial speed of 7 meter per second at x equal to 0. The mu k is given 0.4. Calculate the time required for a crate to come to the rest and corresponding distance x travel. So block is given, crate is given, mass is 50 kg, the motion in this direction, so friction force will act in opposite direction. To balance weight, there will be normal reaction from the bottom. Fr is equal to mu into n. So we'll find out n value, normal reaction value first. N is equal to mg, and that is equal to 490.5 Newton. Now we'll use summation of x, and we know F is equal to ma. So summation of x equal to now mx. We will consider the motion in the horizontal direction. So what are the net force in a horizontal direction or in x direction? And that is the friction force, and which is acting opposite in the direction of motion. So we'll take minus 0.4 into n, and that is equal to m into a. Mass is 50, acceleration we need to find out, so we'll find out acceleration as minus 3.92 meter per second square. Now they ask to calculate the time and the distance x travel, so we'll find out time. We know initial velocity is given 7 meter, the block come to the rest, which is mentioned in the problem, come to the rest, so final velocity is 0, v is equal to u plus 80, therefore t is equal to 1.78 seconds. Now we have to find out x distance travel, so we can use equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and we will find out s distance as 6.24 meter. So this distance traveled by the crate is 6.24 meter and in 1.78 second before it come to the rest. Now second problem is, this is related to curvilinear motion or a circular motion. A small of a block of a mass 100 gram is kept on a rotating disc at a radial distance of 15 mm from a center of rotation. If mu is equal to 0.2 between block and the surface of a disc, find out the rotational speed omega at which the block will slide. So this is that rotating disc or platform is given. This is that rotating platform, we can say. The block of mass 100 gram which is kept and which is away from 15 mm, and as this platform rotates, this block will slide off. So we know F is equal to m into an. An is a normal acceleration now. So F is equal to Fr, and Fr is the frictional force. To oppose this motion, there will be frictional force, and that is equal to Fr, and that is equal to mu into n, nothing but mu into mg. An is equal to v square by rho or v square by radius. So we'll put these values and we'll get v is equal to m will get cancelled. V is equal to under root mu g r. Mu is given 0.2, g is 9.81, r is the radial distance, convert into the meter. We'll get velocity is equal to 0.17 meter per second. Now we know v is equal to r omega. We would need to find out rotational speed omega. So omega is equal to v by r, and that is equal to 0.17 upon radial distance is 15 mm, which is in meter, and we'll get omega is equal to 11.44 radians per second.